Math Lesson 60. Thank you for joining us today for our math lesson. Everybody say hello. Very nice. Let's do our meditation. We're going to think about our heart center. 2 fingers to find our heart center. Left hand in our lap. And close your eyes. Feel for that boom boom in your heart center. When you feel that, move your right hand into your lap and keep thinking about your heart center. Let's end our meditation with 3 deep breaths together. 1, 2, and our last one, number 3. The biggest breath you can take. And slowly start to wiggle your toes. Slowly start to wiggle your fingers. Slowly open your eyes and slowly stand up. That's right. Stand up nice and straight. Put your arms out into a T. Spin around like this. Let your arms feel very heavy and spin around. Good job. Make sure you're not hitting your neighbor. Great idea, Peng Pon. Great idea. Very nice. Make sure you're not hitting your neighbor. Good job. Yeah, very nice. If you have enough space to do a little spin, you can do a spin without hitting your neighbor. Be careful of your neighbors. Okay, let's... Yeah, watch out for your desk too. So put your arms into a T and touch your toes. Touch your toes. Come up halfway. Swing your monkey arms. Swing your arms around. Ooh, we have quiet monkeys today. Very nice. Stand up straight and tall. Stand up straight and tall. Let's practice growing. How do we grow? Do we stay the same size?
No.
No, we're a small little ball first. I see you. So we're a small little ball, and we're gonna grow. We're gonna grow and grow. Very nice. Get into a small little ball so we can grow again. We're a very tiny, small little ball. We're gonna grow a little bit. We're gonna grow a little bit more and grow. Okay, one more time. Get into a small little ball. Small little ball. And grow a little bit. Grow a little bit more and grow. Good job, friends. Great job. Let's do 3 claps. 3 jumps. Take 3 steps. Give a neighbor 3 high fives. Gentle high fives. Good job. Shake hands with your neighbor for 3 seconds.
1, 2, 3.
Good job. Let's do 3 spins. Spin around 3 times. 3. Okay. Let's practice our sentences. Yesterday, we learned. Today, we are learning. Tomorrow, we will learn. Very nice. Learned. Learning. Will learn. Beautiful job, friends. Everybody take a seat. Okay. In this lesson, we're going to practice measuring distances once again, but we're going to be doing a lot of our measuring outside. So this will be a short video lesson. We're just going to do a little bit of reminding students about how to measure distance, and then we'll be spending the majority of the time outside measuring the distances for a few places on our worksheets. So let's think about distance to warm up. Do you remember the word distance that we talked about before? What do you think? Yeah, close, close. Distance. What letter do you hear at the beginning of distance? D. Distance. D. What 2 letters make our st sound? Good job, S and T. S-T. Distance. And the distance is the space that's between 2 things. Yeah, remember like we measured the distance between Lakgao and Pakbu? Yeah, the distance is that space that's in between 2 things. Yeah, 2 things. And there's a question we can ask when we want to know the distance between 2 things. Do you remember what that question is? Do you remember that question that we want to know the distance? And we can ask? I'll give you a clue. Ha ha. How? Close. That's a good thought. How far? How far? Yeah, that's right. F-A-R. How far? Yeah, how far? Yeah, it's 2 words. That's right. We have a little space in between because it's 2 words. Yeah, and a question mark. That's right. Yeah. So what if we want to know the distance to me and Pangpon? What if we want to know that distance? We can say, how far is it from Teacher Lauren to Pangpon? Or if we want to know the distance between Tu and Pat, we can say, how far is it from Tu to Pat? So distance is that space in between 2 things. So everybody get your rulers ready because we're going to do some measuring. We're going to do some measuring. Got your rulers? Good. Okay. Okay. Let's have Lakgao, Pat, Tu, and Pakboom come on up to the board. Bring your ruler with you. Girls, you're gonna be on that side? Okay, 2, come over here and you're gonna help out Pot. So girls, you are going to measure the distance between the flower and the moon. And 2, come over here. Come over here. You and Pot are gonna measure the distance from the moon to this star. So remember how we work together? Good. So Lat-Gal, hold your ruler there, and Pak-Boom, move your, or you can use your finger, that works. Yeah, moon and star. Okay, so let's have 2. Bring your ruler over here. Okay. Yep, so hold it up. And let's see, what number do you see here? What do you think? Where does that end? What do you think? So how many? 23? Very nice. Can you add it all up for us? 23, okay. So how many centimeters are on this whole ruler? Yeah, how many are on the whole ruler? What number is this?
23.
What's this number? 30. Yeah, so we had 2 rulers, so 30. Very nice. 88. 88 what? Plus 23. 88 what? 88 cats?
No.
What? What 2 letters go right here? 83? No.
Me.
Okay. You want to do it? Okay, equals.
Finish.
Very nice. Good job. So how many centimeters from our flower to the moon?
30 plus 30 plus 28 equals 88.
Very nice. And then over here, how many centimeters from our moon to our star? How many centimeters from our moon to our star? 83 eggs? 83 dogs? 83 what? Centimeters. Yeah, 83 centimeters. Okie doke. Thank you. Oh. Okay, you want to do the cat? Okay. A snake. Okay. So you guys are going to measure the distance from the cat to the snake. Girls are going to measure the distance from the snake to the fish. What do you think? Can you make those? 23, okay. And how many centimeters on the whole ruler? How many centimeters? 30. How many rulers did you use? 60 plus how many did you measure to? How many?
23.
23? Okay. 60 plus 23 is how many? How many is 60 plus 23? Good job. 83, and then what goes right here? Good job. What letters are those?
10 centimeters.
C and M. Yeah, for centimeters. Here you go. Very nice job measuring. Great job measuring, friends. Okay, and what is the distance from our snake to our fish? Let's see. The distance from our cat to our snake was 83 centimeters. The girls are working on the distance from our snake to our fish. Let's see. Let's see. So when we measure distance, we're thinking about the space between 2 things. Between 2 things. So what is the distance from our cat to our snake? Angpon, what was the distance from our cat to our snake? What was it that you wrote down? 83. What? Yeah, 83 centimeters. That's how far Very nice. And the girls are still working on our fish to our snake. Let's see. And what's the distance from our snake to our fish, girls? What's the distance from our snake to our fish? What's the distance from our snake to our fish?
68.
68 what?
cm.
cm, 68 centimeters. It's 68 centimeters from our fish to our snake. Great job, friends. So we're going to do some measuring outside, and we're going to measure a very long distance. Do you think it's easier to use our ruler or our meter stick to measure a very long distance? Meter stick? I like that idea. Is it faster? Yeah, it's a little bit faster than using our ruler. So we're going to be going outside, and we are going to be measuring some distances around our school, and we're going to work together and use our meter stick. We are going to think about the different places we're going to measure. So we have our little worksheets, and we're going to fill out where we're going to measure right now together as a class. Then we'll spend the rest of the lesson outside measuring those items. Good job. So the first thing we're going to measure is from our classroom. Is the word classroom already on your paper? Yeah, it's already on your paper. So the first thing we're going to measure is the classroom to Teacher Yai's car. So you can just write car. We're going to measure how far it is from our classroom to Teacher Yai's car. So on the first one, just fill in car, because classroom's already written on there for us. Yeah. Yep, write car in that space. So right here, you're going to write car.
C-A-R.
Yep, just like that. Yep. Yeah, I helped you out a little bit. Car. Okay, got it? The second thing we're going to measure is from Teacher Yai's car to a tree. And I'll show you which tree it is while we're outside. To the tree. So fill out your worksheet just like this, so we know what to measure when we're measuring. Got it?
No.
So you're doing good. Yeah. So second one is going to be car to the tree. Second one's going to be car to the tree. Can I see? Okay. The third thing we will measure is going to be from the tree that I show you. So it's going to be a tree outside, and we're going to measure all the way to the greenhouse. All the way to that greenhouse. So we're going to... You can write greenhouse or just house. Whatever you want to write. Yeah. To our greenhouse. Looking good, looking good. TR. Missing some letters. Look at this tree. Oh, there you go. There you go. And then we're next going to measure from our greenhouse. Let's see. We're going to measure next. Everybody got it? Yeah, that works. Next thing we're going to measure is from the greenhouse to the student bathroom. The student bathroom. Yep, to the bathroom. To the bathroom, so fill that out. The last thing we're going to measure is from the bathroom back to our classroom. We'll wait, everybody's gonna get their sheet filled out. Then we're gonna spend the rest of the lesson, probably about 35 minutes, measuring our different distances. So choose your own distances in your school, whichever ones work for you, and take students outside and have them work together or in small groups to help measure all of these different distances and fill out that worksheet. Okay, so we spent that time measuring our distances. So how far was it between the classroom to the car? How many meters? How many meters? 5 meters?
5 meters.
5 meters, so 5m. How many centimeters? 15. So it was 5 meters and 15 centimeters. 50? Oh, okay, 50. 50. What 2 letters should I write here? C-M, very nice. Centimeters. How far was it from the car to the tree? How many meters? 8. 8.
M 34 C.
Okay, 8m.
34 C.
34 cm. What does cm mean again? What does cm mean? Centimeters. Very nice. How far was it from the tree to the greenhouse? 59m?
51.
Oh, 51. 51 meters. Is that a long way?
39 cm.
And 39 cm. Is that a long way? Yeah, that one was a long way. That took us a long time to measure. And 39 centimeters?
Yeah.
Okay. 39 centimeters.
16 M.
Yeah. How far was it from our greenhouse to the bathroom?
15
15 centimeters?
M.
15 meters, okay.
99 cm.
And 99 centimeters. Is that almost 16 meters?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very, very close. 59 meters, 99 centimeters.
And
37 meters from our bathroom to the classroom. 37 meters. And no centimeters. That's right, no centimeters. Which distance was our longest distance?
99.
Which one was our longest distance? Was it from the car to the tree? Which one? Yeah, our tree to the greenhouse was a really, really long way, wasn't it? And this one? Yeah, 1, 2. Which one was our shortest distance? 5. From where to where? Yeah, from our classroom to the car. That was our shortest distance. It was only... Yep, 0. So we don't have to write anything. We can leave it blank, or if you want, you can write paper on your 0. That's cool. That's cool, because 0 is the same either way. If you just leave it like this, or you can put 0. Good job, my friends. Thank you very much for joining us for our math lesson. Can everybody say goodbye?
Goodbye.